The first thing we want to see with our regular expressions is just how to do a simple pattern match. What is the syntax of doing that? And so what we're going to do is we're going to do some string, and if it were comparison we would use equals, but because it's a pattern match we're going to use equal tilde. You can think of like it's approximately equal to or something like that, and then our slash and whatever our regular expression pattern looks like is. And that's going to be the syntax that holds true for most programming languages. Some programming languages that are more object-oriented might do something like have a method where you go string dot match, and in that method you can pass the pattern that you want to be matched, and this is then going to return values that you might use. And some may do it a little bit differently, but for many programming languages this is the syntax that you would use in order to achieve it. So in Ruby, let's say you have some string, so let's say this is hello world, and you want to compare it to a pattern that says I'm going to check for the string hello. You would have something like this. This is a complete waste of a regular expression in general, because I'm just looking for hello to be somewhere in this string. And so this would return true because this pattern does match this string right here. Most of the time if you're going to do something like this where you're looking for a specific series of characters, a better solution would be something like calling the substring method, where you're looking for this exact string somewhere inside of this larger string, and it's not going to give you the overhead that a regular expression engine might, in order to tell you that this string does appear somewhere in this string. And so what we need to explore then is what shows up in here. How do we make this more than just a set of strings? What ways can we combine things together to represent options for the computer to explore? Is it this way or is it this way? I can have numbers, I can have dashes, I can have characters, and so forth. And so what we're going to be talking about for the rest when we're talking about the syntax is what shows up between these two slashes right here in order to get things to be a pattern instead of a simple string search.